Hello everyone, this is SK Medical. SK Medical has a wide range of products. Now, let me introduce our biological microscope to you. The collecting lens can be adjusted conveniently to adjust the center of the optical axis at any time. The objective table equipped with double-layered activity platform, which is more convenient operation, more precise positioning. Then move the stage to the top. The four-hole converting ensures smooth switching between four objective lenses. The objective lenses have better imaging performance than ordinary objective lenses. The binoculars with translational design allow for adjusting the distance and visibility of the pupils. The eyepieces equipped with WF10X and WF16 wide field of view eyepieces. We are SK. If you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us at any time.